New tonight, four 18-year-olds are behind bars after a shooting near Burnsville High School where there was a graduation ceremony. It happened around 8:30 last night as people were leaving the event. It's the second Friday in a row there's been gunfire after a graduation in the metro. Our Renee Cooper is live now in Burnsville with new details. Renee, what are you learning?
Yeah, Kellen, the city now clarifying that the shooting happened in the area here. This is Portland Avenue. They say that's where it happened. We are just to the west of Burnsville High School here, giving you a better clue of where this all happened. I'm told that the shooting erupted about 30 minutes after graduation wrapped up.
My granddaughter was in there, and that's what made me scared.
Teresa says she was in her car leaving the ceremony. Her granddaughter still inside the high school when shots rang out.
I was like 2 cars behind somebody, and all of a sudden I seen the police. You know, people were just started running, and then all of a sudden I heard bang, 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 bang.
A MnDOT traffic camera shows police concentrated on Portland Avenue, just west of the high school, where Burnsville police say they got multiple reports of fights and gunshots.
Scary. I jumped out of my car and started running.
Minutes later, Burnsville police arrested 3 18-year-old men. Abdikani Abdulwahab and Abdullahi Ali were booked on suspicion of drive-by shooting, possession of a dangerous weapon on school property, and carrying a pistol without a permit. The third, Mustafi Omar, arrested on suspicion of trespassing and refusing to leave. And later, just before midnight, the FBI arrested Amir Ali on suspicion of possessing or operating a prohibited gun. A city spokesperson confirms all arrests are related to the shooting, but said they could not release any additional information, including whether or not the suspects were a part of the ceremony. This comes a week after a similar shooting followed the Wayzata High School graduation in Minneapolis, where 2 people were hurt. Court documents say investigators don't yet know whether the suspected shooter in that case was inside the graduation ceremony prior to the shooting. Family of graduates in both cases worried about the lasting impact.
I hope it doesn't taint, all of the joy that's coming out and like all these kids, going on to the next stage of life.
It's supposed to be a celebration for everybody. People were celebrating, and then this.
Police say they recovered a single firearm here at the scene. We're expecting to see those formal charges come down early next week. Live in Burnsville tonight, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.
Okay, thank you, Renee.
No, that's just